Are you looking for the top 5 best tattoo machines for artists? Finding the right tattoo machine can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options out there. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Wormhole Tattoo Kit, WTK070. The Wormhole Tattoo Kit WTK070 really caught my attention with its comprehensive 58-piece set for just $43.88. If you want a solid starter kit that covers all the basics, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes an aluminum alloy tattoo pen that operates almost silently, which is perfect for a smooth tattooing experience. The dual control power supply is designed to automatically shut off if the voltage is too high, ensuring your safety while working on clients. With over 3,000 sales in the past month, it's clear that many beginners trust this kit to kickstart their tattooing journey. The manual included is a nice touch for those who might feel overwhelmed at first, providing guidance on how to set everything up. Now, some people complained about the lack of transfer cream, which is needed for transferring designs onto the skin. Here's the thing though. As a beginner, you're likely experimenting with techniques anyway, so this isn't a deal breaker if you can pick it up separately. Just keep that in mind when planning your first sessions. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or looking for a budget-friendly option to explore your tattooing skills. Skip this one if you're already a pro looking for advanced features or precision tools. The value for money here is impressive, making it a great pick for beginners. Now, if the lack of advanced... Product number 2. The Wormhole Wireless Tattoo Machine, WTK283. Moving on to the Wormhole Wireless Tattoo Machine, WTK283, priced at $55.99. If you want the freedom of movement without being tethered to a cord, this one deserves your attention. What makes this machine stand out is its 6-hour battery life, allowing you to work long sessions without interruptions. The adaptable tattooing modes, including a special dot work mode, cater to different techniques, which is essential for achieving varied styles. It operates with a powerful motor that runs smoothly at up to 8,000 RPM, making it ideal for both lining and shading. The built-in timer is a fantastic feature too, as it helps you keep track of your session length, something every artist needs to manage their time effectively. Now, some users have mentioned that the learning curve can be steep for beginners due to its advanced settings. Here's the thing. If you're serious about getting into tattooing, the investment in learning this machine will pay off in the long run, especially once you get the hang of it. This is perfect for those who have some basic knowledge of tattooing and want to step up their game with a cordless option. Skip this if you're a complete novice or need something more straightforward. The price is reasonable considering the features you get, especially for anyone looking to advance their skills. Alright, that was a solid.
Product number 3. Tatmuse Tattoo Stencil Printer. Next up, we have the Tatmuse Tattoo Stencil Printer, retailing at $59.99. If you're tired of manually transferring designs, this machine could be a lifesaver. This printer is Bluetooth capable, meaning you can send designs directly from your phone or tablet. It's compatible with various devices and comes with 10 pieces of transfer paper, which saves you from the hassle of searching for supplies. The fact that it's designed specifically for tattooing means you'll get crisp, clear stencils, ensuring that your art looks exactly as you envisioned. At over 900 purchases this month, it's clear that artists appreciate the convenience it brings. However, some users have reported connectivity issues when trying to pair it with their devices. Here's the thing though. Once you get it connected, the ease of printing stencils is so worth it, especially for those long tattoo sessions where accuracy is critical. This is perfect for tattoo artists looking for a quick and efficient way to create stencils for their designs. Skip this if you prefer traditional methods or if you're not comfortable with technology. The price is fair considering the amount of time and effort it saves.
Product number 4. Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit. Coming in strong at $149 is the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit. If you're serious about your craft and want a professional-grade experience, this is a machine to consider. The L3 is designed for versatility with 7 adjustable stroke lengths from 2.4 millimeters to 4.2 millimeters, allowing you to adapt your technique on the fly. This is crucial for achieving different styles, whether you're lining or shading. It operates cordless for up to 7 hours, powered by a robust M-Core motor that provides exceptional stability and power, ensuring you can work without interruptions. With a modern design and user-friendly smart screen, it enhances your tattooing experience and helps maintain control during sessions. On the downside, the price might be a bit steep for newcomers. Here's the thing though, if you plan to tattoo seriously, investing in a quality machine like this one can save you money on replacements down the line and provide better results. This is perfect for professional tattoo artists or serious hobbyists who want to take their skills to the next level. Skip this if you're a beginner still getting the hang of things or on a tight budget. For what you get, the price is justified considering its performance. Now, if you're looking for something that balances features and price, the last product on my list might just be your sweet spot. Product number 5, Dragonhawk Atom 2 Pro Tattoo Kit. Lastly, we have the Dragonhawk Atom 2 Pro Tattoo Kit at $76.42. If you want a comprehensive kit that doesn't break the bank, this one is worth checking out. This kit includes everything you need to start tattooing right away, making it perfect for beginners. With 7 adjustable stroke lengths, you can easily switch between different techniques, whether you're lining, shading, or color packing. The 2000 mAh battery offers up to 7 hours of continuous use, which is great for long sessions. The kit is compatible with all standard cartridge needles, making it accessible for various styles and preferences. However, some users have mentioned that the motor can be a bit noisy during use. Here's the thing, while it might be slightly louder than others, the performance and reliability of this machine make it an excellent choice for those just starting out. This is perfect for beginners and artists on a budget looking for a reliable machine that offers great features. Skip this if you're looking for a top-tier professional machine or something ultra-quiet. The value you get for the price is impressive, making it an ideal entry-level option. That wraps up our reviews. Each of these machines has its strengths, so you can choose based on your needs.
So to compare, we have the Wormhole Tattoo Kit WTK070 for beginners, the Wormhole Wireless Tattoo Machine for those wanting cordless convenience, the TatMuse Printer for stencil efficiency, the Dragonhawk L3 for professionals, and the Dragonhawk Atom 2 for budget-conscious artists. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Dragonhawk L3 because it offers the best mix of performance and features for serious tattooing. I'd recommend avoiding the TatMuse if you're not tech-savvy, as connectivity can be tricky. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.